Hey Kickstarter, how's it going? Here at Engino, we believe in the importance of shaping young minds into becoming the future innovators. This is why, with a deep focus in education, we've developed the Ginobot, our out-of-the-box fun electronics platform.
Ginobot is designed as a tool to promote and explore STEM disciplines. With minimal effort and easy setup, Ginobot can be up and running in a matter of a couple of minutes. This is the perfect platform to get young children and robotics enthusiasts deeply engaged for hours on end. We also offer a remote control app to let you control your robot in real time. Ginobot is an all-in-one platform with a handful of built-in sensors and peripherals and compatibility with our own patented building system. You can build your own robot the way you want. The sky's the limit. Thanks to Ginobot's support for USB, Bluetooth, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and program your robot from your desktop computer, laptop, phone, or tablet. You get to choose what suits you best. Ginobot offers a range of programming options, starting from the use of hard buttons to record sequences, to our own proprietary block-based programming platform, Hero. This makes it super easy to learn and write complex programs and sequences. For teachers, the ideal robot is one that is easy to set up, has long-lasting battery, and is easy to program. This makes Ginobot an excellent tool to help your students grasp the concepts of programming and robotics in a fun and engaging way. And with the support of our APIs and libraries, Ginobot can even be controlled via an Arduino, BBC MicroBit, and even a Raspberry Pi, so you can build your own DIY projects on it. Most of the work is already done for you. All you need to do is bring your cool ideas. With 2 high-power, high-torque motors driving the wheels and the ability to interchange tires with tracks, you can completely change how your robot looks and handles its terrain. Ginobot is able to make precise movements in all directions, whether it's to move forward by a couple of centimeters or turn a number of degrees. Equipped with proximity sensors around the body and an ultrasonic sensor at the front, the Ginobot is fully aware of its surroundings and can be easily programmed to avoid obstacles or solve mazes. The 2 color sensors at the bottom allow Ginobot not only to detect and follow paths, but also different colors and perform actions based on these. Using the integrated buzzer and programmable RGB LEDs at the front and rear, you can really bring your Ginobot to life. In addition, the Ginobot offers 2 peripheral ports that are compatible with Engino's plug-in peripherals and several headers allowing you to expand even further. The Ginobot offers everything you need to build a ton of innovative projects. Supporting both AA alkaline batteries as well as a removable rechargeable battery that offers USB charging, you're guaranteed hours of awesome activities. We really believe in adding the A to STEAM, so we even provide tools to engage and promote discovering and exploring children's artistic side.
Engino was established with the vision to develop products that will inspire the next generation of inventors. For that, we assembled a team of exceptional engineers, educators that will develop the products that will allow kids, either at home or school, to learn everything about technology, coding, and STEM.
Our engineers had some pretty cool ideas regarding DIY 3D printing, and we're excited to see what else you can come up with.
Developed in association with academic institutions in Europe, Ginobot is suitable for any environment, from the living room to the classroom. Backed by theory and fun experiments, developed by professional academics with pedagogical background, the Ginobot offers an entertaining way to build and learn about robots. Not only do you get a cool robot, but you also get access to an extensive e-learning platform to help you and your children improve your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Get it for your kids, get it for your class, get it for yourself.